welcome back, Gems. You already see from the title, this is DIY Nails Sister Edition featuring my big sister, Lenora. She is sitting behind me. She is one of my 4 big sisters, and I absolutely love her. She had been watching my videos and looking at my stuff on Instagram and was like, can I get my nails done? I'm like, yeah, I would love to. It's so wonderful because it's so funny. When I was younger, she used to do my hair, everything. Burning me with curlers, and now I get to do her nails, but I'm not going to mess up hers, you know? So as you guys can see, I tried so hard to edit this video and clean it up as best as I can, but hey, we're sisters, and you see with sisters, we're always going to laugh, we're always going to joke, and yeah, so right here you're going to see me sizing up her nails, getting her cute, for Christmas tomorrow. I was so happy to do this. And I'm just like, oh, yes, let little sister get you together. She wasn't paying attention. She needed to keep her eyes and her focus on me while I did these nails. I'm sitting away, slaving, telling her, oh, here, pick a color. I expect precision when I'm doing your nails. So, she's picking a color from my Model 1 gel set, as you guys can see. You guys already know I absolutely love that set. And what do you know, she picked the 2 colors that I absolutely love, the 2 colors that I already did. The hot pink, right there I had to freeze the screen and let y'all see. I was about to get my sister right, okay? My girl, yes. So yes, I was doing her nails with the pink, and she also wanted the pink mood polish. All I can say is just keep watching the videos, guys. Make sure that you look at this video all the way to the end. Like, comment, subscribe, share it if you care. I don't care. Either way, I was just so happy to do my big sister's nails. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with the rest. Just make sure that you at least stay tuned to the end. I hooked her nails up, I must say. Sister edition, sister style. Yeah. Make sure that y'all cut on those notification bells. Make sure that y'all subscribe to the channel. And I do see the movement. I do see that them subscribers have went up. Please believe I am going to subscribe to your channel if you have one. If that's your thing, I'm definitely going to be checking you out as well. Have a happy Christmas. This was just an extra video that I decided to throw in there just to let you guys see that I am going to start being consistent. So, yeah, definitely. Check it out. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. And I will see y'all in 2020 with a whole rack of videos. Love y'all. Bye.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Kick. shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.